Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 20, student creating table in database model and controller. And this is a less controller and controller. And this tuition class is in Laravel 12. And this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. And this is my personal number paid service. This any your doubt, so please contact anytime, call and WhatsApp 919941599815. This is any doubt, so please contact anytime. This number is available. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this my project is available htdoc directory inside. This is a Laravel 12. And this project is already open. This is my Sublime text editor, and this project is already run localhost Laravel_tail and the super admin login, and this is a database. Inside this database localhost PSP my admin, inside this database is available. Let's step by step implementation. This is available student. This is a student is available this student, and let's inside this new table is a create. Click this new table, create student table. This is the database name is a new student is a student table is a create. This is a student table is a create student. This is a column is a implementation. This is a 5. First is a student ID. This is a student ID. Next is a name. Second is a email. This is a go button. Click this, and inside this available implementation phone. This is the address. This date of birth date. Date of birth date. And this is a registration date. Registration date meant automatically created date. This is a created. This is already inside this available. Same here created and first date. This is automatically is a find. Means created date. This is a created. Same name is a copy. Created. And this is a updated date. This same name is a updated date. Successfully working fine. This is a registration. This is all good. Let's first of all, this is a teeny integer. Varchar. This is a phone number is a varchar, and this address means text address. This date is a select date only. This is the date and time, and this is the date and time select. This is all successfully set. 255 255. This is null. This is a null, and this is a null. This first is a 11. This is a none is a select null. Default is a null select. Default is a null. All select null is a selected. All good. This null is a selected. Primary key is a select. And this is a go button. And they scroll down inside. This is a AL means auto increments. Click this auto increment. All successfully working fine. This student table. And let's save button. Click this save. Successfully student table is created. This is a good working student table is successful. ID, name, email, phone number, address, date of birth. Created date means registration date automatically is create by default. And this updated date all successfully. This is a student table is created. This is a blank table. This blank table is available. So first of all, this is a route is a create same name copy, and this sidebar route is a open this sidebar route. Let's resource view layout, and this is a sidebar underscore sidebar is available inside this available. This is a student route. Let's first of all, this is a create step by step user URL, and this student same name student, and inside this available same name is a admin. This is a admin, and student list. Save file. Successfully student list save file, and I refresh this page. Successfully working. Let's click this student, and 100% is a same here available same name copy. This is a copy, and route inside this web.open. Inside this available, this is a super admin. Let student is a start, paste here and student start, and this is a route get, same here, paste here, this is a paste, cut and paste here, successfully paste. Let's new control is a create, controller is a create student controller, student controller, student controller is a create class, and this is a student list. Successfully the same name copy student, otherwise this is an index, save file, this is an index, all good, this is an index file is a create. Let's same name copy this student controller, copy and use app http controller and paste here, successfully paste, all good. Let's create student controllers app http controller, and this is a student controller is a create controller, inside this new controller is a create PSP, successfully create. This is a blank controller, not available any detail. Let's step by step implementation. This is a PSP start, PSP, and this PSP just close this. This is a namespace app http controllers, close this, use, and this is a st request, successfully create, all good. Class, this is a student same name copy, extend, controllers, this same name, yes, remove, this is only controller, and this is a close this, save file. Let's copy this name, public function, paste here. This is a successfully paste echo, and this is a error solution code, save file and die. Successfully working good. Let's refresh this page is a refresh, 100% is a working error solution code, and this is a error solution code. This is a official website.com. we are held to help 24/7 anytime contact. This is available WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. I am always anytime available. Inside this list of project is available, so please anytime buy this project, working fine. And this is my YouTube channel error solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. All good. This is a working fine. This is a 19 video is already uploaded. This is a video is a created 20. This is a 20 is a created, all good. Let's working fine. Let's remove this, return view save admin, super admin file. This is available, super admin, this is super admin is available. Inside this is a new file is a create folder, student folder. This is a student folder is a create student folder, successfully student dot index, save file, student. Inside this index folder is automatically, this is a copy, this copy inside this is a student folder. Let's first of all, this student folder is a create, not available, so this is a create, all good. This is a create, and same name index file folder is a create, index blade dot php, successfully create, and hello, save file, and I refresh this page, so 100% is a working fine. Let's refresh this page, successfully hello is a show, good, working. This is a not implement, so this remove, let's this remove, save file and refresh this page, and this is automatically is a not a get compulsory is a index is a set. This is a index is a implementation. Refresh this page and working fine. This is a good. This folder is a created working fine. Let's remove this save file, and this is a user inside this HTML is available. This HTML, the same name copy and paste here, and this is a otherwise this is a same name is a close this, same name is a close this, save file. Let's refresh this page. 100% is a working fine. This is a student is a working fine. This is all good, but this is a working fine, but inside this one issue, this is a not a active menu. Let's first of all, this is active menu is a create sidebar inside this is a inside this request if end if request. In this create request segment to make available student, same name copy student is equal to student active, save file and refresh this page. 100% active is a created, all good. Let's refresh this page. Successfully working fine. This is all good. This is active menu is a 100% is a click this, and inside this is implementation index file. Inside this is a hello he save file and refresh this page. So this is a show good working, and remove this save file, remove, and same name is a inside this is available. This is a body tag. First of all, this is a copy, this copy this copy and paste here, and this is a paste here, and this is a tr forest loop is a all remove, not use this remove, and this is the only this message save file and refresh this page. 100% all remove. This is all good. This click this working fine, all good. Successfully this list is a show. This list is a show, but inside this is a student implementation. This is a table is a show. This table is a create, and this is a step by step. Inside this is the implementation. First of all, this is ID is available, name, email, ID, name, email, and this is a name sense. This is a student name. The student name is a set student, student name set, and this refresh this page. Successfully student name is a search. Let's say successfully student search and refresh this page. Working fine. This is ID, name, email. Next is available phone number, phone, TS and phone. Phone. This is the address. This is the date of birth date. Date of birth date. Date of birth date. And this is a registration date. This is a created date is a remove, and this is a registration date is a generate, means registration. This is a new student is a registration. The registration date is a created. This automatically is a create. This is anytime registration user to this created save file registration. Let's refresh this page. 100% is a working fine. This registration date all good. This is a working fine. This is a registration date all. This is action is a edit and delete, and this is a list is a 100% inside. This is a show in this previous next video, and this is a list. First of all, this is a model is a create. This is a model, same name copy, and this is a new model inside. This is a new model is a create file, and this model PSP. successfully create this model. This is a model is created, and PHP start namespace app models. Use this is a successfully this hash factory. This is a next is a this is a model. All good. Next is a class same name is a student, paste here. Extend x remove, and this is a remove. Extend model, inside this is a use, this is a hash factory. Protected $table is equal to, this is a table name is a student name, this is a table is a name is a student name. See, same here student name, this is available, table name is a student, same name is a close this, working fine. Let's copy this name, use, inside this include, use app http model, and this paste here, working fine. This model is a include good, working, this is a fine, successfully model is a including, this is a table is a created. All good. Let's refresh this page, working fine, this is not a other issue, all round is successfully working fine, this is a successfully all good. This is any doubt, so please contact. First of all, this is a URL is a created, inside this is a URL is a create, and this is a model is a create, this is use app controller student, and this is a created. Please step by step write down, this is a all successfully created, all good. This model, and this is a demo file is a close, this all working. This is a created, this table is successfully create, database model is a create, and control is a create. This video is a done. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Like this video and support my channel. Thank you.